In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Ironbeam to TradingView. So the first thing you want to do is go to tradingview.com, the website, and then you want to sign in. And then once you've logged into your account or created one in case you don't have it yet, you want to hover over products up here and click on Super Charts. Once you click on Super Charts, a chart will open up, there we go, and then from here, you will have to select the last tab down below over here, which says Trading Panel, click on that, and then from here, you can extend this to kind of get a bigger view by just dragging this up, there we go, and then over here, inside of these different trusted brokers, you'll have to find Ironbeam. So the way you can do this is by clicking All Brokers, and then just look for Ironbeam in here. So it should be somewhere around here, there we go, it's called Ironbeam. Simply click on that, and then over here what you'll have to do is select either your live or demo account, and if you're using a live one, put in your live account, Ironbeam username and password, and click connect. And if you're using the demo version, so a demo account, simply do exactly the same with your username and password. After that, click connect, and you can then start using Ironbeam together with TradingView. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.